by and take a look at the 2016 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock brakes, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, USB connection. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.